everything falls on us as I open this door. Hey guys, I'm Erin Francois of Francois et Moi, and welcome to my home office. I'm here with the ladies of Style and Dwell, Lindsay and Ashley, and they are gonna help me whip this place into shape so that it works a little bit more efficiently for me.
Erin has a really great space, so all we're going to do is rearrange some things to make it a little more organized and work a lot better for her.
She always has really fun projects going on, so the goal too is as she's wrapping up one and moving on to the next that we create a home for each of the different crafts so that things aren't spread out and it's neat at the end of the day.
So we file folded all the beautiful fabric samples and put them in a really fun order on the open shelving so you can see everything that you have, and it looks really pretty too.
Same with the pillows. Erin had them hiding away in her closet, and so we displayed them along the top of the Murphy bed and then created a cute little nook too at the base of the bed.
Our goal was to find a place for everything to be, so everything has a home, and we only had to purchase the cart, which holds all the props and accessories, as well as the three bins on top of the shelving.
In Erin's closet, we flip-flopped and we took her guest bedding and we put it up on her shelves and then organized her craft items on the various shelves. So now she has tons of extra storage space, which is really exciting.